Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's Leah from Ode to Paper, and I am back with an unboxing for Nicole Jones 911 Digital Designs. And I have all of the files that have got printed out. And of course, you know me, I can't stop at just one package of files. So I have more than one here because number one, I took a break over the summer. I needed to get my, just get back into, take a break, find my grounding again. You know, when things get overwhelming and stressful and you got to find your grounding. That's what I had to do this summer. So busy summer, but yes, I did find my grounding. I am back into the swing of things. So I'll be back with Nicole Jones 911 Designs, and I am here to show you the digital prints that I have for this month. So these are flowers, and I have to check because I can't remember if they are, what number they are. So let's just take a quick look at what number they are. I wanted to talk a little bit about my space because I had somebody comment that my space is very busy, and I have a very small space. What you see is the only place I have. This is my creating space. That's all I have. This right here is actually the base of my monitor, my second monitor, and this yellow foam that you see, that holds my phone. So it's a, and of course, I'm not going to find them. Oh, here we go. So these are Flowers 5. And I'm going to go through the colors with you. So we have Flowers 5. I love these. These are so awesome. I love that they've added more details to them, as well as some darker colors, some shading. I think it looks fabulous. So this is yellow. Then we have turquoise. Love it. That's one of my favorite colors to work with. The red. Look how rich that is. The purple. Definitely not enough purple in scrapbooking, in my opinion. Then we have the pink. The peach. Oh, the orange. We have the new yellow, which I love. Thank you, Nicole and Josh. I love this color. So we have the light gray, the green, the dark gray. Oh, my heart sings with this one because I'm a colorist and I love to color things exactly matching. So I love the colorless ones. We have the brown, are these out of order? This is the bright orange, that's why. And then the blue. So this is Flowers 5. I'll have everything linked below. Don't forget, you can use my code for 10% off your order. That includes classes, so it's going to be Leah10, so all capitals, Leah 10 for 10% off your order. So some of the newer files they have as well are these adorable owls. Now there are two kinds of owls, and maybe I'll show you with the bigger ones first because they're easier to see. So you have these owls which have all the straight lines. You have plain, polka dot, stripe, graph, and these ones look like a little bit of a grayed out. So I'll show you those up close because they are super adorable. So those are the what do they call them? Just the owls. This is just owls. These ones are called fluffy owls. So they're the same. They have the plain, the polka dots, the stripes, the grid, and then the grayer one. And in every color, of course. So I don't have to go through them all with you, but you can see how awesome they are. The purples. I want to find the colorless one because that's my absolute favorite because I can color it any color I want. Look how adorable those are. So what I did was I bought the fluffy and the regular in the bigger size. And then I also bought them in the smaller sizes because, you know, why not? So we have all of the colors. Gorgeous. Love that new yellow. This is the older yellow, and it to me reads as a green. So I'm really happy that they came out with this brighter yellow, and it's called the new yellow. So this is the older yellow. This is the newer yellow. Awesome. Love it. The gray, the green, the dark gray, and the colorless one should be right here. So again, you can color those any color you like. And this one here, maybe we'll go with the yellow, are different sizes. So if we turn this, I can tell you that this one is about an inch. If you were to go a little bit out, so you're looking at about 1.25 inches. Okay, the next one down is 1 inch if you give it a little shadow. Probably if you go from the widest to the, you know, it's going to be 1 inch exactly. This one here is going to be 3/4 inch. And then you've got the really tiny ones. If you go exactly, you're looking at 5/8. But if you go, you know, a little bit around, then you're looking at 7/8. So really, really different sizes. The big ones, I didn't measure those, but I probably should. So the big ones, you're looking at 2 inches, which is a great size for embellishment foundations. So yeah, I have all of these, the smaller fluffy, the smaller plain, the large fluffy, the large plain, and then flowers number 5. And I'm totally in love with these. So these I'm going to put in my files, which are getting absolutely ridiculously full, and I don't care. I get them printed at Staples. So the one thing I noticed when I ordered them online on the website, I can't specify borderless. So mine always end up a little tiny bit smaller than they would if I print them at home, because I can print borderless at home. Staples on their website order form doesn't have that option. But I'm okay with that because I'm a fussy cutter. I don't punch them out. I fussy cut them. So for them to be, you know, 1/8 inch smaller, I'm okay with that. So these are going to get put in my files. And don't forget, again, that code is Leah10, all capitals, LEAH10, for 10% off your order. And I will see you again soon with some project process videos to showcase these files. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.